Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. We received a request from many seniors to make a Take It Easy episode on how to check if your smartphone supports 5G. So, here we are. Go to Settings and find Connections. Then tap on Mobile Networks. If you have two SIM cards, then you will be able to see this information for both the SIM cards. Now tap on the network mode for the SIM card. If you can see 5G here, your smartphone supports it. If it is not already set in a phone that supports 5G, you can set it to 5G, LTE or 4G, 3G and 2G auto connect. This will ensure that whatever is the best connection available in your location, your smartphone will use it. For example, in areas where 5G is not available, it will automatically choose a 4G connection, which is the next best option. If 4G is also not available, then it will choose 3G and so on. Do try this out and tell us what you think. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can call us to know more about such tips. We also help seniors with any tasks like home delivery of grocery, medicines or movie tickets, planning a vacation, online payments, anything that seniors need. Just tell us and we'll get it done just like your children. You can call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411 or download our app. The link is in the description of this video. We are eagerly waiting to hear from you. Thank you and see you again soon.